Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we're gonna learn how can you make your Facebook account name as a single account, as a single name. So as you can see here, I have a Facebook account and my name is you can see it, Rina. So it's a double. So I just need to remove the last name Rina, and the first name will become just Rina. So what we have to do, we have to use an Indonesian proxy, you can say server. So I just downloaded a Touch VPN. So here I can use first of all I want to tell you that you can apply the same method from your mobile phone, on your mobile phone. You can download a Touch VPN, then you need to open your account, Facebook Lite or Facebook Heavy on Chrome, or whatever you want to open. So here I just choose Indonesian proxy. So let's find out. So here is Indonesia. I want to connect. First of all, I want to show you that from my server I can't even change the name. So as you can see, I just removed the last name and review changes. So it says that you must provide a last name to change your name. So I will come to the Touch VPN, then connect. It could be like your account could be on the checkpoint, so you need to use your real account. If it goes on the checkpoint, then you can easily open your account. So I will refresh the page, and then you can see here the last name I will remove and then review change. So it's become, now you can see it says you need to enter your password to save your name. You can do from your mobile phone, so don't be worried about anything. If you want to tell you that you have to make a video from mobile, I will make for you. So I will just enter my password here and save it, and I will just click on the profile, and now you can see my Facebook single name account. I just changed my Facebook account name with single name. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you.